Knowledge Studio includes an XGB node for predictive modeling. XGB stands for Extreme Gradient Boosting and is often referred to as XGBoost. Data scientists often use XGB to develop solutions for classification and regression problems. Knowledge Studio's XGB implementation supports models with several types of dependent variables, usually abbreviated as DV. The software can handle single numeric DV, single binary DV, single multiclass DV, multiple numeric DVs, and multiple binary DVs. Let's look at how Knowledge Studio's XGB node handles the single numeric DV case first. Here we have connected a dataset and trained our model. On the first wizard page, we can select dependent variables and independent variables. On the second wizard page, we can select hyperparameters for the model, including number of estimators, maximum depth, and learning rate. On this page, we can also set aside a percentage of the total number of rows in our dataset to be used to compute our model metrics. Knowledge Studio automatically generates Python code based on the user selections made on these two wizard pages. Let's review the results. Here we see the dependent variable and the independent variables, as well as maximum error, variance explained, MSE, and MAE metrics for our training and test data. Let's look at the single binary DV node. We see a summary of the model parameters along with the confusion matrix for both the training and test sets, along with metrics for accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score. Our diagnostic plots display classification errors and log loss for the training and test datasets. For the multiclass DV node, we can see the confusion matrices for the training and test datasets along with our standard metrics as well as diagnostic plots.